Erin Christiansen.
All right, welcome back. Want to give you a look at our Mount Lemmon webcam time lapse from this afternoon. And then, yes, the sun does set here, but pretty much whiteout conditions for a good majority of the afternoon. And our weather spotter up there, Karen Shunk, sent me this photo and a few others. And this was early on in the day. I got this text right around 10, 11 o'clock this morning, and quite a bit of snow has fallen since then. Now, Karen, my weather spotter up there, has recorded over 27 inches of snow within the last 48 hours. I have heard some totals in the 16, 17, 18 range from some other spotters who are in that area and for the National Weather Service. But this one certainly pretty impressive there. 27.5 inches of snow. So these rainfall totals equally impressive. I'm not making these up, folks. I have updated these from the last 48 hours. So this is not today, mind you. This is for a storm total. The Cañada del Oro Wash at Ina, 1 1400ths of an inch. Also on the northwest side, Moore Road at La Cholla, 1 3/10ths of an inch. Agua Caliente Wash at Tega Verde on the far east side, 1 1800ths. Grant and Swan, Midtown area, 1 1/10 of an inch. And Davis Monthan Air Force Base, almost 1 1500ths of an inch of rain. And today alone, just from this morning up through now, we have had record rainfall at Tucson's airport, 91/100ths of an inch of rain, and certainly more on the way. So when you're tuning in at 9 and 10 o'clock, we will have updated that for you. Here's a look at our radar now. The areas that you're seeing, the yellow, the oranges, and a little bit of red popping in here, those are the embedded areas of heavier rainfall within the widespread light rain. Still seeing some of this right over the east side of town here, Houghton and Broadway, that intersection. We've had reports of some standing water there. And then along I-10 between Houghton up to Alvernon, also seeing quite a bit of rainfall at this time. Things have begun to weaken here in terms of the rainfall right up on the northwest side of town. Lighter showers, just the heavier stuff there where you're seeing the yellow lifting off to the north. But Summer Haven, that of course snow, that rain changing over to snow in the purple there, that's the sleet. The blue is the snow, and then you can see in the foothills there some heavier rainfall in the yellow. So still pretty impressive for us. Overnight, we're going to pick up another 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/2 an inch of rain before this system is completely finished with southern Arizona. Light rain still falling at the airport, 46 degrees. We give you a look at our sky cam here, and I know it's dark, but I've gone ahead and zoomed into one of the street lights out there, and you can still see the rain coming down pretty well. I'm thinking about using my dinner break tonight, by the way, to start building an ark out back. I'm going to have to let Julie Brinks know about that. I'm going to use it part of the parking lot, I imagine, starting an ark out there. But it's almost something we're considering here with all this rain that we've had. 51 our high today, putting us well below our 65-degree average. But I've highlighted the rain because look at this. This too updated now from when you joined us at 5. We are now 77/100ths of an inch of rain, over 3/4 of an inch of rain over our average rainfall to date so far. So this has been an impressive 2-day rainfall for us. No doubt it has pulled us out of that slump, at least for the year, in terms of our rainfall. There's your 7-day forecast. 10% chance for showers lingering in the early morning, but we will see the sun tomorrow. It will return. 54 our high Wednesday. Will be up to 60 on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, another 10 to 20% chance for rain. 9 on your side at 6. We'll be right back.